Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn on microphone in Android settings. So you have to just open the settings of the phone. Make sure your settings have been open and you have to scroll down to click app management, and there is app permissions. So you have to click to the app permissions and you have to scroll down to find microphone. So there is microphone, you have to click to the microphone and you have to allow the all apps to permission to get microphone. So now it will be working, your microphone will be working on Android. If even not problem resolved, you can go to the mobile mechanic to check your mobile. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.